Hi everyone, this is Tanvi from Shipments. I have two wonderful folks with me who are using Shipments since quite some time. Would you please like to introduce yourselves?
Yeah, hi guys. Myself Khushbu. I'm one of director of Cargo Cloud.
Myself, Amit Chaudhary, one of the directors of Cargo Cloud and another company, Organized Trans Solutions Private Limited.
So, Amit and Khushbu, you folks have been using Shipments for quite some time now. While we keep the technology aside for a bit, we understand that your customer base is fabulous and you have been thriving in a very uncertain market also. We quickly wanted to understand what has been some of your quick tidbits. Say there's a new forwarder that comes into business. What has been some of your quick tidbits, or for a younger generation to come who wants to learn logistics? आपके हिसाब से what are the things that they should be in lookout for, right? कौन सी चीज़ें जो आपने difficulty से unlearn की है, what are the things that they should avoid, and maybe some of your tips that you can give them?
So first of all is organization. So a software is very much needed to organize the things. So that is why the reason behind we are using almost a very first day of from the beginning of the Cargo Cloud we are using the same.
Yeah.
So this is my point to
That is music to my ears.
actually.
We are, we are very tech friendly, so we think a lot about technology and try to inculcate all these things in our day to day business and professional and personal lives also. So, right now, in this era of technology, we have to be ahead of the things, and for the new people joining to the trade, so they must learn to listen no.
Yeah.
So it's not possible.
Isn't that like a skill that's needed everywhere?
That's needed, very much needed. So every door you knock will not open up. So you must learn to listen no every.
Right. So, what are some of the you talk because you talked about technology, both of you said that. What are some of the core strengths that technology has given for you, which has satisfied your customer also? जहाँ पे आपको लगा है कि ये चीज़ नहीं होती तो शायद ये सर्विस में कस्टमर को ठीक से कर ही नहीं पाता अपने कस्टमर को.
Tracking is something which comes from a system. Tracking is something कि मुझे if I want to reply a customer, if customer is asking for something, that was the status of my shipment or cargo, so I do not need to open a mail or check my mails कि where then that I recent just open the job and
Real-time
that's
data sharing.
yeah, real time data sharing, you can say
Real-time data
management.
sharing. That is amazing. So it's basically like a one window sort of view for your teams. कि
Yeah.
मुझे I don't have to scatter around multiple places. And finally, our question around what has been your experience like with shipments? There are so many parties, logistics parties. काफ़ी सारे लोग टेक अभी अचानक से AI is a thing. हम 10 साल पहले अपनी लैंग्वेज बना रहे थे. आज सारी चीज़ों के ऊपर में AI की एक स्टिकर है. तो आपके लिए शिपमेंट्स में ऐसा आपको क्या लगा है कि दिस इज समथिंग दैट हैज रियली मेड आवर लाइफ इजी? वन ओनली वेरी फेवरेट फीचर दैट यू folks have.
Inbox.
Collaboration inbox. She was like she didn't miss a single beat inbox.
Inbox is my very
Very favorite.
feature because the way it organizes the documentation and all the communication in it, na, it's fabulous. मतलब
Yeah,
it's make
yeah.
my work easy. I need to find the mail. मुझे mail नहीं मिलता. I just go to the job and find the mail.
And find the mail. That's exactly what we had intended, right? आपको एकदम हजार चीजों के बीच में से ऐसे सुई नहीं ढूंढना है. Not needle out of haystack sort of.
जॉब अगर बहुत पुराना हो गया है and if anything comes and for example if any shipment is coming from Europe or going to Europe, it takes 2 months of time because transit बहुत बड़ा है. वो टाइम पे ऐसा होता है अरे initial mail खो गया नहीं मिल रहा.
Yeah.
So it's easy to find that.
Yeah, and it's so critical because it's very time sensitive, right? We talked about what is favorite in shipments. अब ये बोलते कि कार्गो क्लाउड के केस में what does कार्गो क्लाउड्स कस्टमर से that this is our top most favorite thing? इसके लिए हम इनको छोड़ के कभी नहीं जाएंगे. आपके
Service.
कस्टमर्स
Service.
the heart of
Because
things.
anytime I got feedback from the customers that your team is very supportive. कभी ऐसा कॉल अनआंसर्ड नहीं जाते हैं. इफ़ अगर चली भी जाते हैं तो कॉल बैक आते हैं. इवन मुझे नहीं याद है कि मैं अगर कोई मीटिंग में भी हूँ तो भी I'll drop a message. Sir,
Yeah,
I'm middle
yeah.
of something. I'll call you back, and I
Yeah.
literally do that.
Yeah.
Call back, and that is the same habit we deployed in our team.
Yeah,
So, team भी
it's
ऐसा
a
ही
top
कि-
down culture India में आप
And it's not like that कि 6 6:30 बज गया है 7 बज गया नहीं 12 बजे भी कॉल आया तो we do respond and as well as
Wow.
my team also respond.
Wow, sort of like how our founders I have seen करण प्रसन्न के लिए हमारे अंदर भी ये चीज़ आ गई है कि नहीं भी बात कर पाए तो हम एटलीस्ट बता देंगे कि हम आपसे इतने बजे कांटेक्ट कर लेंगे. So everyone you heard here first, service still is the heart of a very people oriented. So we at Shipments we want to free up your time from mundane things, and like she said, right, that service is the heart of entire being good. So we want to free up your time and we want to give you back that time so that you can talk to more people, build those personal relationships. Khushbu and Amit, thank you again so much for taking the time and doing this on the fly. We really appreciate the time that you are spending
We are
with us.
actually excited for your AI feature.
We are as well.
Eagerly waiting for the same.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.